we go. To all you professionals out there, today we're gonna do a test between two kings. It's the 770 and the 730, and we're gonna go for Hallandsåsen, and today we're gonna actually see how strong is 770. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm quite excited.
Let's go, Johan.
Okay, then I go up on the left side on you, and we're driving under the bridge. Most of the trucks are loaded up to 64 tons and have the same set speed into the hill. This is a quite heavy hill and is famous in South Sweden to be really nasty at the trucks. And now you see the hill coming in front of us. Let's start the battle in Hallandsåsen. Okay, Lasse, here we go! I already take you. Looking good. We're pulling up this hill with such a torque and such a horsepower. It's amazing. Now we are in the middle of the hill and about 100 to 100 meters. Then we're gonna see how the 770 really starting to pull away from the 730. Like driving an empty truck almost. It's such a cool thing. Nobody could dream about it, that the truck could be as good as this is today. It's just perfect. Such a nice scene. It's unbelievable.
Hello, Joar.
Hi, Roger. Welcome.
Thank you. Did you enjoy your ride?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Great.
It was amazing. What a fantastic day.
Absolutely.
So, I'm impressed about the speed, and also I'm very much impressed of the performance that the 770 have done.
Exactly.
But when it comes to fuel economy, have you get any numbers?
Absolutely. I have made some measurement, and as you can see here, this is the 730. And the blue line is the engine RPM, and you can see that it drops, and then the gearbox has to shift as it's supposed to do. But if you look at the 770, the same hill, it doesn't have to shift.
That's amazing. So it's just straight.
Exactly, just flat. So it's actually around 50-60 RPM higher than the 730.
Gee, that's cool. That's impressive.
That's really impressive. But the most impressive thing is the fuel consumption during this hill is 7 to 8 centiliters lower with the 770.
What did you say?
7 to 8 centiliter, even though that it's faster up the hill.
So the 770 had pulled up in amazing speed, and in the same time we have lower fuel consumption.
It's a win-win.
It sounds like magic, or it sounds like Scania. That's just really impressive. Cool.